us for a smaller truth, a cleaner lie, a polished knot, a faith that bends before the flame and still pretends to honor God. The image rose, the order came, the crowd made peace with kneeling fear, but something older held our bones, a vow no heat could disappear. We knew the fire would have a mouth, we knew the smoke would sting the lung, but better flame around the flesh than rust inside the faithful tongue. Furnace green, hold within us, furnace green, burning bright. If the world demands we bow in fear, we answer in the firelight. Furnace green, tried and living, not a word the heat can eat. Christ is Lord inside the furnace, and the flame falls at His feet. The enemy loves a borrowed creed, a paper shield, a painted nerve, a doctrine safe for market walls, too thin to bleed, too weak